everybody, go for Airsoft, you're here. And I'm going through my gear right now, and I will be selling some of it, such as, I don't have any near me, but a couple rifles, parts, what else? Oh, gear 2, some multicam, a helmet, not this one stays. Some other stuff too. Also, Anakin, I do have your mag pouch from last night's bet. And let's see what else. Channel updates. Yeah, let's do that. Well, channel updates, not yet. Kit updates. Go forward kit. I have decided, hence why I'm selling some of the stuff, is so that I can get a new rifle with a grenade launcher, with a grenade vest for the era. Plus also, there's a guy who's selling me a Pasket vest for $100. So I'm going to get that too, just to get it off his hands for him. Also, I came across some ESS goggles, which are standard issue to Marine, well, all military, but most iconic for Army Marines. May or may not be doing a modern Marine impression. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. So yeah, that's basically it. Please join the Discord. It really helps me, like, connect with viewers, followers, all that stuff, and subscribers. Also, you get to know every single thing, like every update with the business, every update with Airsoft, every update of everything. So yeah, it's really good if you join, please, because not only does it help me, but it also helps the business. And yeah, the business has kind of helped get me a little bit above the floaty line on money. So yeah, please do that, and then when I post the things up on HopUp, I will link them into the Discord for, yeah, maybe you can get your hands on some of the stuff that I used to own. Alright, that's it. Bye.